born to create. We are creators. We are born to create. As inventors, we constantly use machines to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we use fell short of our expectation. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. So we came up with simple solution: all-in-one, all-metal 3D system. Not only a 3D printer, a laser engraver, a CNC carving and plotter, and this is the Mag Creator, iCreatum. The Mag Creators creates you anything you want, because our inventions and prototype cannot every time be realized by only 3D printer. So we integrated a laser engraver and a CNC carving modules, and plotter that can let you use any pen you want. A full factory on your desktop. We chose the Delta robot design because they can be quick fast, incredibly precise, and reliable like it should be a 3D printer. With simple shift in design, all the problems that came from traditional Cartesian system disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Mag set new standard of 3D system machines. And it doesn't stop at all-in-one creator machine. Mag auto safety shut-off and incredibly large build volume, up to 270 mm in diameter and 300 mm in height. Automatic bed leveling, you don't need to manually calibrate the machine ever. Just start to print when you want. Open source software means it's expandable for makers. With Mag, we have not set only new standard for design, but for price too. That's the beauty of our design. We could set the price higher, but we want everybody have a Mag Creator. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing and laser cutting and CNC machines to create Mag. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today and let us find out what you were born to create.